How to create AI workflows using Make AI. First, open your web browser and go to make.com. Then, sign into your account or create a free account if you don't already have one. Once you're on the dashboard, click Create Scenario. Next, click the plus icon to add your first module. Choose the app that will trigger your workflow, such as Google Sheets, Gmail, or Webhook. After selecting your trigger, click the plus icon again and search for an AI module. For example, choose OpenAI, Anthropic, or another supported AI service, depending on what you want to use. Now, connect your AI account if prompted and configure the action. Enter your prompt or instructions, then map the data from your trigger into the AI module. Next, add another module to send the AI-generated output to another app, such as Google Docs, Slack, Notion, or email. Click Run once to test your workflow. If everything works correctly, review the results and make any adjustments you need. That's it. You've successfully created an AI workflow using Make AI. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more AI tutorials, automation tips, and easy tech guides.